Hey guys, welcome back to a new project video, and in today's video we're making a little RPG based little game. It's a very simple game, and what you can do is you can use these well, what I'm gonna do now, and you can create even more of this. So this video is gonna split into two parts since it's kind of longer. And yeah, let's get started. So let me first of all straight up turn off AI because I hate this. Now I can start. So import random, and let's get started. These two, I'm importing these two libraries because they are useful for what I need to do in the game. Alright, so let's start with making a function for introduction, for like the introduction of the game. So print. And this is a very simple version of the game. If you want your game to go from top to bottom, you could just go ahead and do print and input statements, and you could go on from there. If and then, if and else, and this. This is just a game where you like have very little to do. You can't, but you basically whatever. So welcome to the game, and now what I'm gonna do is I'm just gonna go ahead and go here time.sleep. Now this is gonna be the amount of seconds, so 1. I'm gonna explain what time.sleep does in a second. Player underscore name just to input, and then we're gonna ask enter your name. Now I'm gonna say like basically print hello, and then the name is classic RPG player name. You wake up, name is Darius Cave. As you don't want the player to know that they're in a cave, so I'm just gonna say place time.sleep 2, add that there. Print, you see these doors in front. Return, and then it's gonna player name. Now define choose action. I cannot choose action, that will be longer. Action, there we go. So ask the player what he wants to do. Now, oh my god, I actually did that. So I want to do this. I'm gonna go over here. Let's just do this. Wait, what? Oh, okay. There we go. Slash n. What do you want to do? Now slash n is a line break. I think we already went over this, but yeah. It breaks the line so that you can actually create space between, so everything's not squished together. Into the first door, or like open the first door, and I can copy this line. Okay, so there's supposed to be 3 doors, so only 3 options. Third, 2. Second, and now we go down here, and what we do is we pick the choice, right? So what we're gonna do is when choice is a choice, then is equals to whatever the player said, right? So input, enter your choice. Now I'm just gonna tell them how to enter the choices because I don't want them to be wrong. See this, and then you're gonna return choice. Oops. Now, we're gonna define a new function called perform action. What, bro? What's up? This is gonna be our function, which is gonna be performing our action. So start that. So if choice, oops, no, choice, choice is equals to 1, what we will go ahead and do is we're gonna, let me see, so what can we do here? We can go say print, you open, actually, this is very frustrating for absolutely no reason, and you open the first door and find a dark room. Time.sleep 1, and then we're gonna print for the suddenly a monster jumps up. Time.sleep. Did I spell this wrong? Oh yeah, wait. No, wait, no, stop. Help, help. Oh my god, no, go up, go up. There we go. Sorry, we have to add the choice here, since it's not inside, it's defined in another function. So I have to like put it in there. Oh, I hate that. Oh my god, Python is making me crazy. I don't know, just 1 second. Print, you fight the monster. Fight the ferocious monster. Let's see, no, actually, let's add 3 dots. See, create suspension and let's sleep 2 seconds. If, okay, now we get some so if random dot choice into true and false, print you defeated the monster. It froze up and turns into a key. Not that, because nothing's gonna happen after this. I mean, nothing much. Print. The monster was too strong. You fight back, but there we go. No. If two. We'll come back to it after the monster later, but yeah. Print you open the second door and find a treasure chest. Time.sleep. Where's there a space here? It looks so weird. Sleep 1 second. Go back. Print. You open the chest slowly. It's filled to the brim. It's filled. It's filled with gold coins. Let's just stay simple. Here we go. Then you find the gold coins. So let's have a sleep one. And let's move on. Print. Congratulations. You found treasure. Now you can go further with this, but I'm not really gonna go further, you know. Elif, choice 3. We could go even longer, or as long as my imagination can go, but that would, you know, end up with a pretty long game. You open the door and see a staircase leading downwards. Time.sleep. Print. You cautiously send the stairs. Okay, sound a bit more fancy. Looks quite good outside. Time.sleep. 2 prints. You find yourself hidden. Hold on, wait a minute. So for the first choice of all of these, I'm gonna go ahead and add the /n so that there's always space in the starting. Here we go. So as you find yourself hidden in a room of artifacts. Print. You decide to collect. You're not gonna say print collected of valuable facts. And then else if nothing, if the user tries trolling the game or feels like a kid thinks he's funny, just say invalid choice. Please choose again. Okay, so that's it for this part of the video, and I'll see you guys in the next video where we will be completing this project. So yeah, bye.